Hi, hello everyone, welcome on my channel Mechanic Sportif. This is normally a French channel, but today I have here in front of me the 106 EVO. Many of you know this car because this is totally insane, and I have so many requests about this car. We are not going to race it today, but I'm going to show you all around the car and tell you some spec of it, and maybe we have some small area and we'll try to drive it a little bit. So this is basically the chassis of a Mitsubishi Lancer EVO 4. So the Lancers were rally cars, and the guy here, the owner, decided to put this Peugeot 106 body kit outside on the chassis of the Lancer EVO. So for this, because the Peugeot was shorter, he cut it here in the middle and has shortened it 9 centimeters and then welded it again, and that's the result. This is absolutely insane. There is carbon everywhere, like here, this duct's carbon, this carbon, the rear carbon, the spoiler here, there. The wing is the wing of the Peugeot RCZ Cup, the race car. He asked Peugeot to get one because this is kind of Peugeot, we can say, because this is the body of the Peugeot, but inside this is absolutely different. So all around, I'm going to show you here. For example, here we have this for the cooling, because this is the motor. I can show you here inside. So we open it like race cars, then up. This is carbon fiber. Look, it's very, very light. Under here, we have the motor 2.3 liter, which has 670 horsepower. This is absolutely insane. There is 860 Newton meters of torque there. This is absolutely crazy. And yes, of course, because it was basically a Lancer EVO, this is four-wheel drive. This is coupled to a sequential gearbox, which has 5-speed, because this is stronger than the 6-speed ones. To show you here inside, there is the bar here, which is welded on the chassis, special spring. Everything here has some perf pieces. This is the intake. This is the exhaust, and about the turbo, this is the GTX 3076, and yes, it's powerful. How about the car on the side? This is really looking like the Peugeot. We have some air intakes here. We have 3 pipes each side. We can see here, this is the exhaust. We have 2 exhausts on both sides, which is sounding very, very good. We'll start the engine in few seconds. Everything is from the Peugeot. The door is also insanely light. Inside we have some carbon panels too, and the car, yes, has a kind of wide body kit. For the wheels, we have 18-inch wheels with some Pirelli slicks, full slick, because this is very powerful, and on racetrack it has to go hard, very hard. For the brakes, we have 6 pistons here, calipers on the front, and on the back it's the regular one from the EVO. 360 millimeter at the front, 300 the back. Here I had to show you these pieces. Look at the wing. This is absolutely insane. This is so big. I'm 180. This is, I think, 170 centimeters wide easily. This is very, very wide. So as I told you, this is full carbon. We have some hair outtakes here because there is a gate box, everything here, and start being very hot on the car because there is no isolation inside. At the back, the Peugeot taillights, and here at the back the diffuser, because there is I don't know in English how to say fond plat in French. Maybe you can tell me in the comments how do you call this under the car when it's totally flat panels inside under the car. We should go inside. Okay, about the car inside. Oh damn, this is like a rally car. There is the 5 points harness, and Okay, like we can remove the wheels. Look at this. I have the wheels. And you can put it back there. Look at this. This is a shifter. So I told you this is the sequential gearbox. Here we have a small lever. This is for the reverse. And then you have to pull or to push to change the gears. So when you go, you have to go from first to second. You pull like this, and then you push to go back there. There is a clutch for the first gear, and when you go down, this is the handbrake. Yeah, hydraulic handbrake. And this is the buckets, which are very, very comfortable. Like, it's like being in a 5-star hotel. Behind the wheels, we have all the info of the cars, the pressure, the speed, speedometer, everything like the revs. We have here in this small screen. This is smaller than an iPhone. And here we have a small screen because there is some cameras here inside. As you can see on the car, there's a lot of aero all around the car. But look at this. These are huge. Like, this is looking like GT3 cars, race car. And the aero on this car, I can't tell you the numbers, but this is huge. You can feel it on the track. Look at the size of the height here of the car. This is, I think, like 3 fingers high. Yeah, you can't go in the city with this. Okay, so here we get in the cars. So as I told you, there's carbon doors. This is kind of very light. Here we have this. You have to be careful because you have this all around the car. You should wear a helmet here because, like, if you hit your head, this is going to be painful. So we have 4-point harnesses here. Up. This is the second and the fourth one. Normally I won't move. So to start a car, there is a kind of procedure. So we turn here first. This is lighting off the car. Then this is the button to run all the pumps for the fuel and everything. So this is going to be noisy. You hear. This is the petrol pump. And then you press this button, and this is the start engine button. Okay, this is kind of insane. There is so much noise all around us. There is the steering assist here, because with the slicks, otherwise it's going to be very, very hard. So here, this is a sequential gearbox. So you have a clutch, you press the clutch, you pull on the lever, this is putting the first gear. So to engage the first one, clutch. Oh god, this is very hard. Elle est très dure. Okay, very, very hard clutch here. Then this is first one. So okay guys, I'm running this car. There is so much sound all around. As you can see, this is kind of shaky. It's very hard. Okay, let's try something. Okay, this is insane. Oh mec, c'est quoi cette folie? la première. Ok, cette voiture est folle. C'est juste abusé. J'en veux une. J'en veux une. Thank you guys for watching this video. That was the first review in English. I hope you like it and share it all around the world. If you like to see a French channel, if you like it, you can subscribe. I'll try to make some other review in English, but this was absolutely insane. Okay guys, see you.